Well, going up all is well. So for today's video, we have Queenie confirming she's back with her husband Dowey, also apologizing to his mom. And what I want to say is I think Queenie should stop putting Dowey on her Instagram.
And Cookie, the man we are talking about, me when I send to me mention. Tell him some same big as stink. Me smell him through the phone. And all for who I say my husband Fred, I'm a member for better or for worse. And the mood on the bad-minded blood clot. Some man who don't have no man, no plan, nor no scan. Well, that's my husband for better or for worse. And I come on this anytime. None of blood clot can beat my chest. Big chest, me I deal with double D. Any of them diss me again, I'm going to come back again. I will fucking ball because I have who for support me. I have who for stand by me. So it's the only way I look audience and entertainment, me will go on it. Because I can't take the dirty bashing. But no life has spoiled like blood clot. Want some J's. You know when you have so foot at Jamaica and I want J's, I saw no life has spoiled. Enjoy and watch my movie because it's going to kick. R.I.P. my pitney. If you did there, you'd have said, Mom! I'm going to say, Rachel, you know me not sorry for no decision me make. Any decision me make, good or bad, me cope with it. Get up, stand up for your right, Queenie. Get up for your right. Get up, stand up, Queenie. Don't give up the fight. Mr. Thick and tired after him kiss him. Listen, me not sorry for what me do. And I will tell you over and over again. I want somebody me go get apology to is Odette, Dwayne's mom. And out of respect and the fact that it's my husband, mom, even though I get upset and print out her name, I'm not sorry, but I will apologize. Whether she want to take it or not, I apologize. Me, now I could have called me down and cow down for cow down on the way.
Oh, juggle the beer and sleeping.
No, can't tell me what to do. You too enough. You say not to get involved in a cocky and pussy argument. But because you not to go and get on a side chick, on a cooler, cocky cooler, and not have no man. You don't have no husband. All of who are talk negative. And I don't have no man, no husband. Babe, I fight for my husband. Yes. And whatever me and my husband lies, you can't know. So I'll let me come and show no one something. I see this Ted something. My husband. In the sight of man and God. We have a lovely wedding and we're going to have a journey ups and down. And I got shame on it over and over again. Every time I shame, I go make a shame. Shame for blood clot, shame on a go. I'm not too enough, man.